7.
In this video, we are going to look at the screen reader user experience in navigating by images with the JAWS screen reader. So I'm going to go to the top of the page.
7 awesome accessibility features at the museum vertical bar CMHR-Google banner.
And then I'm going to use the letter G.
Canadian Museum for Human Rights link graphic.
There's the first image.
Has details, a hand touches braille letters on the museum exhibit, partially obscured, graphic.
Now here's an image that has alt text, and this text describes the picture. So let's look at the accessibility tree.
Element information : tag IMG blank. Tag IMG has 10 for alt equals a hand touches braille letters on the museum exhibit, partially obscured.
So we see the attribute alt equals and the text that the screen reader reads when it comes to that image.
Escape has details, a hand.
And I can go down arrow.
Graphic. Photo : CMHR Jessica Sigurdsson.
And there's a paragraph that gives me some more detail. I can also get a list of images.
Select the graphic dialog. List 1, list 2. Canadian Museum for Human Rights, 1 of 16. To move the items, use the arrow keys.
So there's 16 images on this page.
A hand touches braille letters on the museum exhibit, partially obscured, 2 of 16.
And down arrow.
A headphone dash style jack and a keypad with symbols indicating volume, magnification and navigation controls, 3 of 16. A hand reaches out to a universal access point, which is a small metal square attached to a wall. The square has the number 241 imprinted on it, as well as braille writing and a Bluetooth symbol, 4 of 16.
Now they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but the challenge is to provide a description that is as brief as possible, that gives enough detail for the person to know what the picture is all about. Now I can go to the top, home key,
Home, Canadian Museum for Human Rights,
or I
1
can
of
go
16.
to the end of the list, end key,
End, symbol of the Government of Canada, 16 of 16.
and I can go up arrow.
Canadian YouTube, 14 of 16. Facebook, 13 of 16.
Now we come to some elements that have text labels that are not descriptive. These text labels tell me the function of the item rather than a description of the picture.
Instagram, 12 of 16. X, 11 of 16.
Okay, let's press enter to see what X is.
Enter, link graphic X.
So I assume this is Twitter. So now I want to look at the accessibility tree.
Element information : element information blank. Tag IMG has 12 for.
So it's an IMG tag.
Class equals icon dash SVG.
And we see there's no alt text here.
Description dash from equals tooltip.
So we're getting a description from the tooltip.
Display equals inline. Explicit dash name equal height equals 1.87 ref equals https://labilette equals title dash id dash scroll equals im. Tag equals svg. Text dash align equals left. Width equals 1.87 xml dash roles equals msaa role equals 28. Lang. Tag a has 6 parameters :
And there we go. That's
Escape.
it.
Link graphic X.
So it's important when you have images on the web page that you provide a description of the picture or provide a text label that defines the function of that icon.